Welcome to my video series to guide entrepreneurs. I will guide you in each episode in all the aspects of building your business for the first time. But if you already have your business, this can serve as a checkpoint to make sure you're covering all your bases to succeed. Even if you don't know what kind of business, this is the right place to start. I will go over the top concepts of entrepreneurship, getting started, budgeting and finances, marketing and promotion, living your best work-life harmony, and running your business. With each concept, I will reveal 5 keys to master it, where I will go deep and wide to give you the best chances to win at playing business, because it should feel like a board game. When you assume a character, take a step-by-step, rely on random draws to advance, overcome the path to obstacles, and reach a finish line in the lead. Isn't that what life is all about? The whole journey, and not just the end. Exciting, right? So before we start, please subscribe to this channel to get notified when a new episode comes out.